Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and we are checking out some of the most fun products on all of Amazon. You guys, I am a huge fan of both LEGO and Super Mario, and I love this expansion pack. If you already have the Super Mario starter package, then this is for you. If not, go get the starter package. That is going to be kind of your hub for the rest of the universe, so you can really get into your gameplay. But this is going to be one of my favorite expansion packs because I love Yoshi. This includes Mario's house and Yoshi, and it's got a fun hammock. There is a Yoshi figure and a Goomba. So you guys, if you have the starter kit of the Super Mario, this just expands and it gives you more options for gameplay. It opens up the world a little bit. There are real life interactions between Mario and of course his nemesis, the Goomba, and also Yoshi and he interact as well. It just kind of furthers your play. Inside of Mario's house, there is a superstar, so you can pause gameplay. You are also going to have a super fun hammock, and there's a challenge with that where you can rock Mario to sleep. These are all amazing Legos. It's 205 pieces. It's going to be really good for intermediate age ranges and really fun for kids and adults of all ages. You guys can get instructions for how to put this together in the exclusive LEGO app. So it just really connects your screen time and your playtime in the real world. It is great for kids and it's a really, really fun toy. It's definitely my favorite expansion pack. So if you already have that Super Mario starter kit, get this one for sure, or just put both of them in your cart and get both today. You're gonna be really happy that you did.